This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Whose world is this? It's yours. Good. So keep it going. Here are a few ideas to make your poster even better. Add a background. Choose a background that fits the poster. Okay. Add behaviors. Well, let's start with the background. I'm headed to costumes and new, because I think I saw... Oh, maybe not. Can we add a background with... Set background. Cool. Okay. And green it is. Okay. Add behaviors. Alright, so when clicked, add more events. Ooh. So when up is pressed, what behavior should I add? Sprite human begins moving west. And then let's add another behavior to that. Sprite bear spins to the right. And then, ooh, I'm liking this. When a space is pressed, Sprite, ice cream is going to wander. Let's give it a test. Okay, so we know all this works, but now let's do up. And space. Awesome. Oh, and it bounced. Cool. All right, onward.